Okay, so today we're going to prove the following trig identity. So we want to show that sine of t over tan of t plus cosine of t over cotangent of t is equal to sine of t plus cosine of t. So with these types of proofs, we always want to start with the most complicated looking side. So that's going to be the left-hand side here. So let's go ahead and start with sine of t over tan of t plus cosine of t over cotangent of t, right? So here, I'm just going to use the formula for tangent of t, which is we know that tan of t is sine over cosine. So that'll be sine of t over sine of t over cosine of t plus cosine of t over, so cotangent is cosine of t over sine of t, right? So we're going to divide these two guys right here. So remember, you keep the numerator and you flip the denominator. So I'm going to write it like this. The numerator can also be written as sine t over 1. And then we're going to multiply it by the reciprocal of this, which is cosine of t over sine of t plus, so we're going to do the same thing over here, cosine of t over 1 times, so the reciprocal of this is sine of t over cosine of t. Look what happens here. Sine t over sine t is 1. So what we'll be left with is cosine of t over 1 plus, so cosines cancel, right? Cosine of t's cancel. Basically, they equal 1. So this is sine of t over 1. And what we wanted was, let's go up here, sine of t plus cosine of t. So cosine of t over 1 is just cosine of t. And sine of t over 1 is just sine of t. So we can rewrite this as sine of t plus cosine of t, right? Using the commutative property. And that is it.